about 10 minutes earlier.
Hi, Truey. Hi. Is this your first big day? Sitting up in the high chair? I know. Hi, lover. When you get upset, you kind of cough. That's what you do. I love you. Yeah, you. That's what you do. When you're upset, that's what you do. And here's your sister, Tabby. I love you. Say hi, Tabby. We'll get you some food, baby. That's baby food. We'll get you some food. Can you say hi, Tabby?
Hi, Tabby.
Can you say one more time?
More time.
Say, Tabby, like this. Tabby, like, one more time. Can you do that?
More time.
Say, one more time. Can you say that?
More time.
Can you say one more time?
That's it.
Dancing, and then what do you say? You say, one more time. Say it.
More time.
Aww, I love you, Tabby.
Pick up.
No, Mama not gonna pick up. Mama gonna help bathe Truey. You want a bathy, Truey? I love you. Bye-bye. With your two teeth. I love you.